Hello and welcome everybody in the second tutorial of how to solve the Rubik's Cube in the beginner method. In this tutorial we'll talk about the types of pieces in the standard Rubik's Cube. We have three types of pieces, the one color piece and the two color and the three colors. So we have here 9 pieces. This piece is only one color piece, so it's called center piece. And these 4 pieces are two color pieces, just like you see, the yellow and the red and the yellow and the blue. So the two color piece is called edge pieces and the three color piece is called corners, as you see. So in the Rubik's Cube we have 6 centers and we have 8 corners and we have 12 edges. So just a small notice that the white center will be always opposite to the yellow center in any permutation we do. So let's camp the cube in any direction with any movements, we will have eventually the white center must be opposite to the yellow center. And if we have the white center on the top, we must have the centers in these arrangements: the blue, then the orange, then the green, then the red. And of course the red will be opposite to the orange and the green will be always opposite to the blue. So these are the 3 types of pieces, and thank you and see you in the next tutorial.